To download the Whoop charging cable, you will first need to visit the official Whoop website. Start by opening a web browser on your device and navigating to the Whoop website. Once on the website, click on the Support tab and then select Accessories from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to a page with various accessories, including the charging cable. Click on the charging cable option and you will be taken to a page with more information about the product. On this page, you will find a Buy Now button or a link to purchase the charging cable from the Whoop store or other authorized retailers. If you are looking to download the charging cable, it is likely you are looking for a digital version of the user manual or instructions. To find this, click on the Support tab again and select User Manual from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to a page with downloadable user manuals for various Whoop products, including the charging cable. Click on the charging cable user manual and it will start downloading to your device. Make sure to save the file in a secure location on your device so you can easily access it later. It is essential to only download files from the official Whoop website to ensure you are getting legitimate and safe content. Be cautious of third-party websites that may offer downloadable files, as they could be malicious or contain viruses. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully download the Whoop charging cable user manual. If you encounter any issues during the process, you can contact Whoop customer support for assistance. Remember to always prioritize your device's security when downloading files from the internet, and only trust reputable sources like the official Whoop website.